By using our professional prompts, you will produce the best results and save you valuable time in production. Hello, inquisitive minds. Today, let's explore the fundamental concept of prompts and understand why they play a pivotal role when harnessing the capabilities of ChatGPT. What are prompts? At its essence, prompts are the input or instruction you give ChatGPT. Crafting effective prompts is the key to unlocking the true potential of ChatGPT. Why are professional prompts so important? Pro prompts are paramount. Well-crafted prompts ensure accuracy and relevance in responses. Pro prompts allow you to get the best results. Professional designed prompts provide the best results. Whether it's creative writing, problem solving, or information retrieval. ChatGPT in comprehending nuances and delivering responses that make sense within a given context. Whether you're seeking creativity, problem solving, or information retrieval, remember, precision in prompts unlocks the full potential when utilizing ChatGPT. After viewing this video, go to the description, click on the follow links, one providing the titles and descriptions of prompts, and if believe this to be of value, click on the order link. Contact Larco with any question? Email larco1203@gmail.com. Thank you.